Today we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi ji is known as the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi, mother's name was Putli Bai, and his wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. Okay. And if we are talking about his education, so beta his mother tongue was Gujarati. He completed his schooling in Ahmedabad in 1887. In 1888, Mahatma Gandhi registered himself in Samaldas College, but dropped down his course and made his way back to Porbandar. He studied law at the University of London. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is known as Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated every year on 2nd October. It is national holiday. It is national holiday. The United Nations has greatly honored Mahatma Gandhi. UN has made 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. मीन्स गांधी जी का बर्थडे 2nd अक्टूबर को हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, तो यूएन ने बेटा इसको थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड, पूरे वर्ल्ड में इसको इंटरनेशनल नॉन वायलेंस डे के रूप में इसको एडॉप्ट किया है. मीन्स हम 2nd अक्टूबर को एज अ नॉन वायलेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. If you are talking about his youth, तो Mahatma Gandhi was born in 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He went to South Africa to practice law in 1896. He returned to India in 1915. Father of the nation, an Indian political and civil rights leader who played a critical role in India's struggle for independence. His method of fighting was known as Satyagraha, truth and non-violence. Due to his work in struggle for independence, he is unofficially called the father of the nation. चरखा, पहले हम लोग चरखा यूज करते थे धागा बनाने के लिए, बाद में मशीन्स का यूज होने लगा, तो चरखा वो स्टार्टेड बाय गांधी जी. He made people realize the value of charkha, that is the spinning wheel. He used to produce his own clothes by using the portable charkha, and soon the spinning wheel became the symbol of Indian independence. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter who devoted his life for India's independence. Mahatma Gandhi was the follower of simple living and high thinking. He wanted to create an ideal society by removing untouchability, and he gave the name to the untouchable Harijan. As you know, the meaning of Harijan, the child of the God. Okay. स्ट्रगल फॉर इंडिपेंडेंस, अगर हम बात करें गांधी जी के रोल की बेटा इंडिपेंडेंस से रिलेटेड, तो उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया था. गांधी जी लॉन्च द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट एज protest against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Gandhi ji launched the civil disobedience movement to break the SALT law. In 1930, Gandhi ji launched his Quit India movement, calling for an end to British rule in India in 1942. फ्रीडम मूवमेंट्स, गांधी जी ने बहुत सारे फ्रीडम मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किए थे. 3 और 4 सत्याग्रह एंड 3 national movements. So the major movements and campaignings led by Gandhi ji for India's independence. First, Champaran movement in Bihar, 1917. That was for the indigo cultivation. ब्रिटिशर्स इंडियंस को फोर्स करते थे इंडिगो कल्टीवेशन के लिए, तो गांधी जी ने लोगों को कैंपेन स्टार्ट किया उनके लिए और इंडिगो कल्टीवेशन से उनको मतलब आजादी दिलवाई. खेड़ा मूवमेंट इन 1918 दैट वाज रिलेटेड टू द फार्मर्स. उनसे हाई टैक्स कलेक्ट करते थे ब्रिटिशर्स. देन खिलाफत मूवमेंट 1919 स्टार्टेड बाय अली ब्रदर्स, बट गांधी जी ने उनके साथ ज्वाइन किया अपने नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट को, जो गांधी जी ने 1920 में स्टार्ट किया. देन ही स्टार्टेड सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट with the Dandi March. Dandi March was related to the salt law. ब्रिटिशर्स ने सॉल्ट लॉ बना रखा था. इंडियंस वर नॉट एबल टू प्रोड्यूस द सॉल्ट. ओके, देन गांधी जी ने डिसोबीडेंस मूवमेंट स्टार्ट करके सॉल्ट लॉ को ब्रेक किया इन 1930. Last movement was started by Gandhiji was Quit India movement in 1942, and he gave the famous slogan "Do or Die." Learning for Mahatma Gandhi's Three Monkeys. आपने कई बार पिक्चर देखी होंगी थ्री monkeys की गांधी जी के. तो ये क्या बताते हैं हमें? The one shutting his mouth tells us we should not speak ill or of anybody. हमें किसी के लिए गलत नहीं बोलना है. The one shutting his ears tell us that we should not hear the ills of anybody. हमें किसी के बारे में बुरा नहीं सुनना है. The one shutting his eyes tells us we should not speak the ills of anybody. हमें किसी के साथ अगर कुछ भी गलत होता है तो हमें उस गलत को नहीं देखना है. In 1942, he led the famous Quit India movement. The slogans "Britishers leave India" charged from every nook and corner of the country. He was thrown behind the bars many times. Gandhiji gave famous slogans like "Do or die." Here, "Do or die" means या तो आप कंट्री के लिए कुछ करो या फिर आप मर जाओ. उनका यही कहना था. वो वायलेंस को बिल्कुल फॉलो नहीं करते हैं. ओके, वो ये नहीं कहते कि कुछ करो, किसी को मारो, ऐसा नहीं बोलते. वो कहते हैं कि आप अपनी कंट्री के लिए कुछ तो करो एटलीस्ट. एंड ब्रिटिश लिव इंडिया. It was under his guidance that the country became free. In 1947, India became free after centuries of slavery. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated on 30 January 1948 by Nathuram Godse. Means गांधी जी को मार दिया था किसने? नथुराम गोडसे ने on 30 January 1948. Mahatma Gandhi's name. We know Mahatma Gandhi by different names. The title of Mahatma was given to Gandhiji by Rabindranath Tagore. He is also known as Bapu and Rashtrapita. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Father of the nation. And his famous song beta रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम. This song was often sung at Mahatma Gandhi's fair gatherings because ये उनका एक famous song था. Mahatma Gandhi is remembered as the father of the nation and the most significant leader of India's independence. Thank you and happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for these brief things, this brief explanation and description about Mahatma Gandhi. Now, I would like to ask or request Suhani Sharma. She'll show us something very special. Suhani Sharma, 10C.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yes, beta. Ma'am, kindly allow Suhani to share her screen.
Wait, ma'am. Yes, Suhani. स्क्रीन शेयर करो बेटा, माइक ऑन करो अपना.
Suhani, are you there?
यस मैम। मैम
हाँ
अभी लोड
बच्चे।
हो रहा है, लोड हो रहा है।
ओके। यस मैम, यस मैम।
ओके
स्क्रीन
ओके
शेयर नहीं था बट आवाज आ रही थी।
हाँ, अभी मैं माइक भी वो वीडियो ऑन करी है मैंने, रुको।
ठीक है मैम।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे मन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे मन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सम्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सम्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। मुख में तुलसी घटा में राम, जब बोलो तब सीताराम। मुख में तुलसी घटा में राम, जब बोलो तब सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। हाथों से करो घर का काम, मुख से बोलो सीताराम। हाथों से करो घर का काम, मुख से बोलो सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। कौशल्या का वाला राम, दशरथ जी का प्यारा राम। कौशल्या का वाला राम, दशरथ जी का प्यारा राम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। बंसी वाला है घनश्याम, धनुष्यधारी सीताराम। बंसी वाला है घनश्याम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम.
Very good. Okay, very good, beta. Now, Gurpreet ma'am.
हाँ जी मैम.
We will invite Kanika.
Yes मैम.
Okay. Recording ना?
हाँ जी मैम. हाँ जी.
शास्त्री भारत की शान. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम कनिका है और मैं कक्षा 10वीं की छात्रा हूँ. आज मैं आप सबके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री भारत की शान, नारा दिया जय जवान जय किसान. फर्श से अर्श तक का सफर कहाँ था आसान, पर तुम कभी ना हुए इन सबसे परेशान. काश काश समय से पूर्ण तुम्हारी रहस्य में मौत न होती. काश समय से पूर्ण तुम्हारी रहस्य में मौत न होती तो आज वर्तमान भारत की तकदीर संवर गई. तो आज वर्तमान भारत की तकदीर संवर गई. तुमको नमन भारत के अनमोल लाल. तुमको नमन भारत के अनमोल लाल. तुम्हें पाकर भारत भूमि हो गई निहाल. तुम्हें पाकर भारत भूमि हो गई निहाल. धन्यवाद.
Very good. Very nice, beta. Sohane, are you ready, beta?
Season of Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti, I'm going to share my views on this. On October 2nd, the nation celebrates Gandhi Jayanti on account of Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, but somehow we forget to mention the man who contributed towards the growth of India. Yes, I'm talking about the second Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri ji's contribution to India's growth is unparalleled. So I'm going to share some facts about him. So first is Lal Bahadur Shastri got the title Shastri in Kashi Vidyapith University in 1926 as a mark of scholarly success. In fact, it was a degree. Second, Shastri ji's mother had lost him while taking bath in the Gangas when he was just 3 months old. But following a FIR, a cohort who had no children unwillingly returned him to his mother. 3. In school days, Shastri ji would swim across the Gangas twice a day with his book tied on top of his head since he didn't have enough money to take the boat. 4. As Minister of Police in Uttar Pradesh, Shastri ji was the first person who used jets of water to disperse crowd instead of lathi charge. 5th, on the occasion of his wedding, Shastri ji took a khadi cloth and a spinning wheel as a part of the dowry. 6th, Nehru ji had once called him half civilized because Shastri ji would frequently appear on dhoti kurta. 7. During freedom struggle when he was in jail, Shastri ji's wife would get a pension of ₹50 per month. Shastri ji's wife once informed him that she saved ₹10 from the money. Shastri ji asked the servants of People's Society to reduce his pension and give ₹10 to some needy. 8. When his son was given an undue promotion in a department, Shastri ji had it reversed immediately. 9. On the occasion of his birth century in 2004, the RBI issued a ₹100 coin with his portrait on it. Commemorating his life, the coin is non-circulating and is available on order alone. Shastri ji died on 11 January 1966 in the USSR's Tashkent due to heart failure, but his death is always seen with suspicion. Thank you.
Very good, beta. Very nice. Starting,
Okay.
yes.
Good morning, students and teachers. I am Aman Kumar of class 10C. I am presenting a speech on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Originally a lawyer, Gandhi's knees used to tremble when asked to speak up in front of a large crowd in London, where he went to study as a barrister. With passing age, his memorials concluded that the man had transformed from a shy barrister to India's leading voice that had led the country to its freedom. His struggles to overcome the obstacles can be an inspirational topic to give a speech on. Mahatma Gandhi has played a pivotal roles in the major protest movements like Dandi March, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement that helped India to get its independence. Millions of people used Gandhi's ideologies of non-violence and peace to protest, and at last they they regained their long lost freedom, voicing his opinion and views, projecting Gandhi as a noteworthy leader. His leadership skills can certainly inspire students to take a better and peaceful approach. On June 15, 2007, the United Nations General Assembly voted October 2, i.e. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, to be rightfully observed as the International Day of Non-Violence. The idea behind it was to dis- disseminate and educate the masses about the message of non-violence in protests, activities, and everyday life. Mahatma Gandhi's ideology of Ahimsa inspired India's citizens to peacefully protest against the Britishers. It left the British Empire wondering how to even tackle such peaceful protests. This speech India idea can be de- decorative with ample examples of Gandhi's take on the protests. Mahatma Gandhi lovingly called Bapu left behind a string of quotes and principles that are observed with utmost importance to this day. His inspirational words and philosophies attracted the people in an instant, and it motivated them to live their lives based on strong principles. Gandhi's memories have been appreciated as one of the most influential, encouraging, and hurting memories ever. He led his praiseworthy life, yet he stuck to the ground to achieve the country's dream for independence. Thank you.
Thank you, Aman.
Udyog Mandir. Udyog Mandir was a laboratory to implement Gandhiji's economic ideology. The charkha or the spinning wheel was at the center of Gandhiji's fight for Swaraj. This is where Khadinomics was invented. Volunteers from across the country came here to be trained to
Praveen ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
is it done?
Wait, ma'am.
Okay.
Welcome to Eternal Gandhi, Shashwat Gandhi, located at Gandhi Smriti, also known as Birla House in New Delhi. Eternal Gandhi is one of the world's first digital multimedia museums on Mahatma Gandhi's life and deeds. The museum not only documents, but also revives the values by which India obtained freedom. Multiple exhibits of museum extrapolate Gandhian ideals into newer domains of interest, information technology and product design. This is Gandhiji on radio. In this installation, we can turn the dial and hear Gandhiji's speeches.
Whatever they do to us, we will attack no one, kill no one.
Mahatma Gandhi had spent 6 years and 10 months in prison during his lifetime. This installation enables you to recall the scenes of Gandhi's life in prison through 3 interactive pods. Here we have a projection of Gandhi's writings, why he was in prison. This is called E-Harmonium. In this installation, the keys of the harmonium, which is a popular instrument of accompaniment to devotional music, trigger off the playback of Raghupati Raghav Rajaram, the song of interfaith. Raghupati xylophone. It takes xylophone and transforms it into a musical instrument. Each note of the xylophone can be recognized digitally and allows for the creation of a digital mosaic mural. After
Okay, so student, I hope you enjoy the Gandhi Jayanti, and now Gurpreet ma'am, say something about
Yes.
the students.
Thank you so much, students, for participating in this celebration for Gandhi Jayanti. As we are living in our house, we cannot celebrate like in school really wala manner mein, but you have tried so well. You have given speeches, you have sang the song, and this projection by Suhani and by Praveen ma'am. Thank you so much to you all for participating, and very happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Okay, thank you and happy Jayanti to all of you. Okay, आपको भी ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Have a nice
Bye
day.
bye.